welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. These are some of the product from Beauty Skin. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. So I'm just gonna open this up. My wife ordered this. I'm not sure what's inside here, so. Wow. This is the PCA products. Yeah, the order item 2 of the PCA 21134. Wow, $50 each. 2 of them become 100. And then one of the PCA skin micro peel at home kit, $129. And one of the PCA skin puffing mask, wow, $62. And then there is a flash 27. I'm not sure it's a 27. Well, I'm not sure what's the discount rate on that. No tax, no shipping fee, so the total is $212.43. So this is the micro peel at home kit. Detoxify and revitalize skin with the professional grade skin care. Your at home treatment featuring PCA Skin's best selling daily care products and professional grade enzymatic treatment. And here's what's included inside this kit. Yeah, I'm not gonna open this. I'm not sure if it's for gift or what is it, but it also comes with the, looks like come with a brush. And this is clear skin that is cost $50 each. Wow, quite expensive. And then this is the purifying mask. This is $62. Call the instruction. Yeah, anyway, I hope you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, like always. Peace.